Hi everyone. Today we will learn daily use some action words with examples. Okay, let's begin. Wake. I wake up very early in the morning. I wake up very early in the morning. Walk. He walks along the beach. He walks along the beach. Run. They run in the park. They run in the park. Eat. What did you eat? I ate an apple. What did you eat? I ate an apple. Drink. I drink milk every day. I drink milk every day. Think. Do you think it's my fault? Do you think it's my fault? Take. We should take pity on the poor man. We should take pity on the poor man. Wait. Wait here just a minute. Wait here just a minute. Read. My father reads the newspaper. My father reads the newspaper. Go. Let's go to the park. Let's go to the park. Write. I am writing a letter. I am writing a letter. Make. His aim is only to make money. His aim is only to make money. Arrive. The football team has just arrived. The football team has just arrived. Give. My father gives me some money. My father gives me some money. Fly. This bird can't fly. This bird can't fly. Play. I play with my friends every day. I play with my friends every day. Drive. He drives a car to work. He drives a car to work. Ride. They ride bicycle every day. They ride bicycle every day. Help. I help my mother to wash the dishes. I help my mother to wash the dishes. Clean. Did you clean the kitchen? Did you clean the kitchen? Enter. Jenny and her mother entered the supermarket. Jenny and her mother entered the supermarket. Exit. Jenny exits the supermarket. Jenny exits the supermarket. Open. Don't open the box before I come. Don't open the box before I come. Buy. Where can I buy a ticket? Where can I buy a ticket? Spend. They spend money to buy tickets. They spend money to buy tickets. Bring. Bring it here. Bring it here. Wash. Go and wash your hand. Go and wash your hand. Close. Can you close the window? Can you close the window? Speak. I want to speak, Mr. John. I want to speak, Mr. John. Ask. Why do you ask me? Why do you ask me? Cry. Why are you crying? Why are you crying? Don't cry. Don't cry. Leave. Jack leaves home in the morning. Jack leaves home in the morning. See. I see a bird on the swing. I see a bird on the swing. Fall. The rain falls suddenly. The rain falls suddenly. Lend. Can you lend me some money? Can you lend me some money? Dream. She dreams that she is a princess. She dreams that she is a princess. Sweep. Sweep the floor with a broom. Sweep the floor with a broom. Be. To be a great teacher, you must love your students. To be a great teacher, you must love your students. Climb. This tree is so tall that I can't climb up. This tree is so tall that I can't climb up. Exercise. You have to exercise every day. You have to exercise every day. Learn. I want to learn English. I want to learn English. Crawl. The baby is crawling. The baby is crawling. Get. He will get some money from me. He will get some money from me. Angry. He gets angry when I tell the truth. He gets angry when I tell the truth. Talk. Can you talk to me now? Can you talk to me now? Pray. How many times do you pray? I pray 5 times every day. How many times do you pray? I pray 5 times every day. No. I want to know about this book. I want to know about this book. Watch. Do you watch TV a lot? Do you watch TV a lot? Speak. He speaks English better than me. He speaks English better than me. Keep. Where did you keep the spoons? Where did you keep the spoons? Try. If you don't try, you can't do anything. If you don't try, you can't do anything. Swim. I can swim. I can swim. Dive. He knows how to dive. He knows how to dive. Dance. Do you like to dance? Do you like to dance? Fight. Don't fight anyone at school. Don't fight anyone at school. Stand up. Will you stand up for me? Will you stand up for me? Sit down. Let's sit down and have a rest. Let's sit down and have a rest. Listen. Listen carefully to what I say. Listen carefully to what I say. Laugh. Don't laugh at me. Don't laugh at me. Call. What time I will call you? What time I will call you? You should call a doctor. You should call a doctor. Meet. When should we meet? When should we meet? Carry. He couldn't carry on his study for poverty. He couldn't carry on his study for poverty. Do. Do you like ice cream? Do you like ice cream? Thanks for watching.